everyone, how are you? Welcome to another episode of Sabuchi Fitness Inspiration. Yes, this month we are going to be running a 3 weeks fat shredder challenge. Did you get that? Fat shredder, like it shreds fat, like to cut it off. Literally, you will see it go off your body in these 3 weeks. Last month, we ran a challenge that we tagged lose 6 kg in 3 weeks, and the result was amazing. I did not post it here on my channel, but it was all over my social media platform. People participated. The reviews that came in that particular challenge was so inspiring. In fact, I'm going to be reading some of them out. This person is Ada. She says, our coaches Oge, Ima and Cham, you guys are amazing. For these 3 weeks, I enjoyed my new lifestyle a lot. Anytime I look at my mirror, I'm so happy. God will really bless you guys. Please, if it's possible to continue, let's do it again. I'm so light that my weight has really dropped. No pain, no gain. One love. Can you see? Are you going to be doing it again? I hope you participate this time around. Then another person is Chinwe. It says, dearest, you are the best. Thanking you and your team for such powerful sacrifice. I know I didn't do so well because of not being able to do all the exercises, but I lost 4 kg. That's amazing. From 92 kg to 88 kg. I will continue my dieting even though I haven't weighed myself since we stopped. I am sure I have dropped 1 more kg. This kind of thing doesn't come by easily. I am very happy and encouraged to keep hitting on the fats. Bravo, Sabuchi team. Bravo to you, Chinwe. Then another person is Chinyere. Chinyere said, Oge, thank you so much. You are a big motivation. Chinyere lost 7.5 kg. That is so remarkable. That is so amazing. You know, we said lose 6 kg, but all these things depends on how you push yourself, how serious you take it. That is what is going to determine your result. So if you push yourself very hard, you will be so amazed what your result is going to be. Now, if you are new in this channel and you have not subscribed, like you are passing by and you are seeing this video right now, what are you waiting? Just click that button, click it. The subscription button. Then help me share this video because you never know who you might be helping. A lot of people are going through a lot, not knowing how to lose the excess weight that they have. This is an opportunity for such people. Or if you are the person, this is an opportunity. Don't miss it. Alright, I'm just going to tell you the routine that we are going to follow for this challenge. The number one thing that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be drinking lots and lots of water. We're going to be taking close to 450 cl of water every single day. So you are going to spread your own across the day, like from morning to evening, how you want to take your water, just spread it. Then the second thing that we're going to be taking is that we're going to be taking lime water. The first thing that you take whenever you wake up in the morning is lime water, a glass of lime water. I think I filmed that video. You will see the link on the screen. You follow it to see the video. Then the number 3 thing that we're going to be doing is that we're going to be exercising. But it's not like that heavy kind of exercise. The number 1 exercise we're going to be doing is that we're going to be skipping. We skip. After skipping, we are going to do jumping jacks. After doing your jumping jacks, you're going to do high knee. After doing your high knee, that's all. But you are going to make sure that the 3 exercises will last for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Now, one good thing about it is that even if you don't like all these exercises that I have done, find something that you like doing. If it's dancing, but make sure that you dance close to 30 minutes. It must not be below 30 minutes. If you want to go further, you can do that. If it's swimming, you can swim. 30 minutes or above must not be below 30 minutes. You see how easy it is? Somebody would say, just this small exercise, I don't have to carry this weight, I don't have to do this. You don't have to do all those things. In my weight loss journey, I've come to understand that what matters is you being consistent with those little things that you do. Those are the things that will give you results. Not when you do carry weight, do all those heavy exercises, strenuous exercises, and you are not continuous with it, you are not consistent with it. The number 5 thing that you're going to be doing is you are going to be eating clean. Did you hear what I said? You're going to eat clean. I am not going to give you any meal plan, but I'm going to give you an idea of what your meal is going to be for the next 3 weeks. Now when you want to eat your food, you get your plate, divide your plate into 2, fill half of it with vegetable, divide the other portion into 2, the other part into 2, put your protein and your carb in small portion. Eat more of vegetable, that's all. Now every food that you are eating, make sure that you eat and stop before 6 p.m. Don't eat food after 6 p.m. When you have eaten before 6 p.m., continue drinking your water. Another thing, number 16, that you're going to do in this challenge is that you're going to have enough rest. Make sure that you sleep close to 6 to 8 hours every single day. Make sure. Stress affects weight loss a lot. The way you have enough rest, your body will respond to the exercises, your body will respond to the food you are eating, and you will see amazing results. Now, have you seen? So what do? You wake up, you take your tea. After taking your tea, what else do? You drink your water. After drinking your water, what do? You exercise. After exercising, what do? You eat clean. After eating clean, what do? You do what? You have enough rest. So that's basically what we are going to be doing in this challenge. After this challenge, I promise you, as easy as it seems and it looks, you are going to see amazing results. If you have been struggling with your weight, this is your opportunity. This is your opportunity to lose that weight fast. And by the time you are done, because it's not strenuous, you are not starving, you are not doing any strenuous exercise, you will see that you will keep on doing it. Now, we have come to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, let this video go viral. A lot of people need to see this video. So share it. You never know who you might be helping. I love you so much. Remember to treat yourself right, because if you don't, no one else will. See my next video. Bye guys. Bye.